Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to showcase the Leads, Contact, and Deals module of Getyn CRM, a powerful tool to help you manage your leads and turn them into valuable deals. Let's dive in and explore its key features. In the Lead Contact section, you can easily add and manage lead contact information, including the lead's name, contact number, email address, website, billing details, company details, lead source, and much more. Remember, you can always create and add custom fields to this section as per your business needs. You can do it by yourself from the Settings module, or just contact our support and we will get it done for you, and that's too with no extra cost. Okay, let's see what else you can do in this module. Here, you have the flexibility to either manually enter lead details or use the import feature to import bulk leads via an Excel file. Just click on an import button and upload your Excel file and simply follow the on-screen instructions. Within few seconds, all of your leads will be imported and saved on your Getyn CRM Leads Contact module. Next, want to capture leads directly from your website? With the Lead Form feature, you can create a customized lead form and embed it on your website. This allows you to capture leads from your website visitors effortlessly. You can create any numbers of forms you like and embed it to multiple pages of your website. Use a simple code provided in the end after a form creation and share it with your website designer. Let's see more. Need to export your leads for further analysis or marketing purposes? No problem. Getyn CRM provides an export option that allows you to export leads from this module with ease. Now, let's take a look at the top bar. Here, you'll find options like filters, which allow you to filter leads based on various criteria, making it easy to find specific leads that meet your requirements. Additionally, we have a quick search option that enables you to quickly find and search for any leads in the system. And here's a fantastic feature. Once your lead is ready to convert into a client, you can simply convert it into a client right from this module. Clients are like won or closed leads, allowing you to track your successful conversions and manage your client relationships seamlessly.